If your spy point camera has stopped sending pictures, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The camera may have reached its maximum transmission limits, in which case, upgrading the subscription to increase the photo limit would resolve the problem. Another reason could be camera communication issues, which can be addressed by checking the camera's settings and switching on the option to take a photo at the next transfer. A low battery can also prevent the camera from sending pictures, so replacing the drained batteries may fix the issue. Additionally, inappropriate frequent transfer settings can be the cause, and adjusting these settings in the app can help resolve the problem. To troubleshoot, it's essential to check the subscription for photo limits. Ensure the camera is communicating properly. Replace the battery if necessary, and adjust the transfer settings as needed. By identifying and addressing these common issues, the camera should resume sending pictures.